Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading handheld gaming console that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Logitech G Cloud Handheld Portable Gaming Console. This device promises to revolutionize your gaming experience. The console offers the best of cloud gaming. Play hundreds of AAA titles at 1080p 60 frames per second without any downloads or hardware upgrades. It integrates with Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now, and even more services through Google Play. With the Xbox Remote Play app and Steam Link apps, you can remotely play your games. The 7-inch Full HD 1080p touchscreen with a 60Hz refresh rate offers a full-screen 16:9 gaming experience. With a 12+ hour battery life and a lightweight design, you can comfortably game all day. The console also features gaming-grade controls with haptics, a gyroscope, and remappable controls. In conclusion, the Logitech G Cloud Handheld Portable Gaming Console is a game-changer. It's a must-have for any serious gamer. Number 4. The Miyoo Mini Plus, a retro game console that's packed with features. The Miyoo Mini Plus sports a 3.5-inch IPS screen with a 640 by 480 resolution. It's powered by a 3000 mAh lithium battery, offering 7 to 8 hours of gameplay. This console has a built-in optimization system running at 1.2 GHz, ensuring stability and efficient speed. It also has game-saving and loading features. With a 64GB TF card, it supports over 10,000 classic games. It's suitable for various game types and supports the open-source RetroArch system. The Miyoo Mini Plus is compact and lightweight. It comes with a portable storage bag, allowing you to game on the go. The package includes the game console, a 64GB TF card, a USB-C charging cable, a TF card reader, a manual, and a console package. In conclusion, the Miyoo Mini Plus is a fantastic choice for retro gaming enthusiasts. It's portable, feature-rich, and offers a vast game library. Number 3. The R36S Handheld Retro Gaming Console. This isn't just any console, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse preloaded with over 15,000 games. First off, the 3.5-inch IPS OCA full lamination HD MIPI screen is a treat for the eyes. With a resolution of 640,480, it brings your favorite retro games to life. Next, the open-source dual system supports dozens of emulators. With 4 LR keys on the back, it's designed for comfort and ease of play. Powering this device is a 3200 mAh battery. It ensures up to 4 hours of smooth play, so your gaming sessions are uninterrupted. The OTG folding port is a game-changer. It allows for large screen output and 2-player games, taking your gaming experience to the next level. Finally, the dual 3D joystick enhances gameplay. You can customize key combinations for different games, making each game a unique experience. In conclusion, that's the R36S Handheld Retro Gaming Console. It's compact, powerful, and packed with features. Whether you're a retro gaming enthusiast or a casual gamer, this console is a must-have. Number 2. The RG35XX Retro Handheld Game Console. This isn't just any console, it's a time machine that takes you back to the golden age of gaming. The RG35XXH is a 2023 upgrade with a built-in 64GB SD card. It comes preloaded with 5,528 classic games and supports more than 10 game formats. It features 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, allowing you to connect a gamepad or headset. Plus, it supports HDMI output for a better gaming experience. The 3.5-inch IPS screen offers a clear display and double protection with scratch-proof and anti-fall tempered glass. The built-in 3,300 mAh high-capacity lithium battery supports up to 8 hours of game playing. The console uses an upgraded H700 quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 chip, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. In conclusion, that's the RG35XXH Retro Handheld Game Console for you, folks. A perfect blend of nostalgia and technology. Number 1. The RG556 Handheld Game Console. This device is a game-changer in the handheld gaming world, and here's why. First off, the 5.48-inch AMOLED screen. It's stunning, with a resolution of 1080x1920, delivering unparalleled clarity and vivid colors. Next, the Unisoc T820 processor. It's a powerhouse, ensuring seamless performance whether you're playing complex games or multitasking. Thirdly, the game compatibility. From Android games to classic platforms like PS2 and N64, this console has got you covered. Fourth, the 5,500 mAh battery. It lasts up to 8 hours and supports fast charging, so you can game without worrying about battery life. Lastly, the advanced features. From a Hall joystick to a high-speed fan, this console is packed with premium features. In conclusion, that's the RG556 Handheld Game Console. It's a fantastic device for any gaming enthusiast. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.